Star Awards.
Yes, speaking of Star Awards, matagumpay ang ginanap na 16th PMPC Star Awards for Music na talaga naman pinag-usapan at sinuporta ng ating mga kaibigan sa showbiz at syempre ng kanilang mga kapanian. Narito nga ang inanunsyong mga nagwagi sa naturang awards night.
Yes, again, congratulations, diba? Sa mga nanalo. At syempre, ang ganda-ganda ni yung ating mga naging host ay sina Atasha Mulak, Andre Paras, Heaven Paralejo, at
James Blake. Maraming salamat.
Blake.
Jameson Blake.
At sa mga winners po, ayun po si Gary Valenciano at si Glock9. Nanalo po sila sa collaboration na walang pumalakpak.
Walang pumapalakpak. Ito pa po ang mga nanalo. Song of the Year, Gento. Album of the Year, Pagtatag. Male Recording Artist of the Year, It's a Tie. Ogie Alcacid and Juan Carlos. Female Recording Artist, Sarah Geronimo. Duo Group Artist of the Year, Beanie. Concert of the Year, Dear Heart, Sharon Cuneta, and Gabby Concepcion. Male Concert Performer of the Year, Christian Bautista and Jed Madela. Female Concert Performer of the Year, Eugene Velasquez Alcacid. Duo Group Concert Performer of the Year, Pagtatag World Tour, Manila The Concert. Music Video of the Year, The Way You Look at Me. Pop Album of the Year, Third Time's a Charm. Male Pop Artist of the Year, Donnie Pangilinan. Male Pop Artist of the Year, Maki. Female Pop Artist of the Year, Bel Mariano. New Male Recording Artist of the Year, Jonella. New Female Recording Artist of the Year, Atasha Mulak. Rock Album of the Year, Sad Songs and Bullshit. Rock Artist of the Year, Lola Amor. New Male Group Artist of the Year, Believe. Dance Recording of the Year, Gento. Rap Album of the Year, Pilak. Rap Artist of the Year, Flo G. Female R&B Artist of the Year, Casey Tandingan. Male R&B Artist of the Year, Chris Lawrence. Male Acoustic Artist of the Year, Arthur Miguel. Female Acoustic Artist of the Year, Moira De La Torre. Collaboration of the Year, Walang Pumapalakpak, Gary B and Glock9. Novelty Song of the Year, Rampa. Novelty Song of the Year, Otto Deadma. Novelty Artist of the Year, Kim Chu. Revival Recording Artist of the Year, Stars. Inspirational Song of the Year is Sasayaw Kita. At syempre, ang Pilita Corrales Lifetime Achievement Awardee ay si Mr. Gary Valenciano at ang Parangal Levi Celerio Lifetime Achievement Award ay si Mr. Homer Flores. Nakuha naman ng Female Face of the Night ni Heaven Pereleo. Male Face of the Night, Jameson Blake. Female Shining Personality of the Night, Atasha Mulak. At Male Shining Personality of the Night, Chris Lawrence. Ayan po ang kabuuang listahan ng mga nagwagi sa 16th Star Awards for Music.
Congratulations po sa lahat ng winners at thank you very much din po sa lahat po ng performers kagabi.
Katulad
especially ni Gary Valenciano, Ogie Alcacid,
Nagmala-concert
Christian Bautista, Jed Madela.
Ay
sa Segera.
May Entrata.
May Entrata. Opening si May Entrata.
Believe.
Ogie Alcacid, of course.
Believe, ang galing nila magsayaw in fairness, diba? At talagang naano ko sa kanta ni Sana Maulit Muli ni Aiza Segera. Talagang nararamdaman mo ang ganda, ang lamig ng boses, diba?
At si Gary B,
nag-concert, ang galing, diba?
Yes.
Parang gabi niya. At si Ogie Alcacid din, talagang bumuhay sa Star Awards. Ang ganda rin ng pagkakanta niya ng kanyang bagong single. At si Jed Madela rin, talagang ganda ng boss at Christian Bautista, diba? Ang gagaling nila. Salamat po at sa inyong pag-suporta sa amin, especially sa aming Pangulo na si Rodel Fernandez.
Yes, nagpapasalamat po
ako. At ang chairman.
Yes, ang chairman, si Mildred Bacon. At ang member, ako po, ang inyong lingkod.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga singers, composers, record producers, at lahat po ng mga nakiisa sa amin pong pagdiriwang ng 16 PMPC Star Awards for Music at syempre ang mga opisyales at miyembro ng PMPC. Thank you.
At syempre ang ating producer, di ba?
Yes, of course.
Ating producer na matagal ng producer po ng Philippine Movie Press Club, si Tita Tess Celestino na
Airtime Marketing. At syempre ang ating director, si Direk Eric Quezon. Salamat, Direk.
In cooperation to with ng Playtime, di ba?